Umentri rangba ka jela kanrat ke sangma ka si balang ulap lepat ba ke indoor sports complex kabalatei ha ka jinglut ka ba shiklur sanpusan lak tingka ha ka shinang Lummawbah ha ka jingdan lang advisor jong sembut menteri rangba ba Hamlet Darling kumju chief engineer ka state sports council BDO ka Millennium Block na lor kiwe la don lang ru ha ka ni ka si na du urang ba shinang ka Lummawbah ba Everest thank you kumju secretary shinang ba arju rakha kinong nilam ka Lummawbah Sports and Cultural Club Dr. Nashastri Memorial Dispensary nong nilam shinang na nong se pat ki pat ba nong shang shinang kat ba nakalyang uminri rang ba ulo ang ba usaw tanan pat sngaw kuman ba nyo ya ka sports complex ka ladap ha kapor ka babyang ula kular ru ban penbyang he ki tiar ialehkai kumba la pensngaw da ka sports club nang ta ule thu ba un sa bishar bnya halor ki babon ki jingkar pat ba ka shnang ka pensngaw kan thop na do ka jingpen he shushu ya ka government LP school nang ta ya ka arts and culture center bat kiwe nakalyang uba Hamlet pat uloong ba ka jingla jong u banwan ra bon ki kampen rai ha ka shnang bat ha ka constituency ka day namar ka jingshan ya ki pat ba ki bala penjob ya u ha ka election bala dem shwa kani nakalyang u secretary shinang ha ka jingkran stang ula ai ka buram ya uba MLA bat menteri barim ka sarkar ka jila ba Hamlet Darling ubatray borba nakabenta bon ki kampen rai haka shinang pat haka than hi baro ka way kat pa nakalyang kinong yalam ka sports club kilabu ka jingkar pat banyaram ya ki tiar ialehkai baharukam khnang ba ki samla ka than kinyo ban penan kam
out here to thank the people who have made this particular infrastructure a possibility. Our former minister, Hamletson Darling, was the key person to push this particular project along with Daniel and the members of the society, along with the members of the Darbar, and it is because of their hard work, it is because of their dedication, and because of the blessings from the Almighty that we have finally seen this very, very long pending demand of the people of Lummawbah finally fructifying and seeing the light of day. So on behalf of all the people present out here, I would like to thank all the stakeholders, especially Hamletson Darling, for having taken the initiative to make this particular place a possibility. I would request that we should give a round of applause to him and to others who have made this happen. I'm also happy to see political leadership, the government is working hand in hand for the overall upliftment of our locality, society, and the state as a whole. Our government believes in working with the society. Our government believes in working with the community. Our traditional practices, cultures are something that we respect, and that is why in almost all programs, policies of the government, you will see that we have always stressed on community participation. We are the only state in the country that has come out with a PPP, they call it public-private partnership. But that public-private partnership, we have added the word community. So our policy says public-private partnership with community. The only government in the country to have a policy of this kind, because we believe in working closely with our community and taking our society and our state forward. That have come in from all our leaders out here, whether it is for the additional funds to improve this particular interiors, provide exhaust facilities and sitting area, sitting gallery, whether it is the requirement for a police outpost, whether it is the requirement for the water rejuvenation, whether it's requirement for tourism development around the waterfalls, whether it is about construction of multiple marketing areas as well as parking areas, whether it is the auditorium that you have requested out here, whether it is the expansion of the LP school here in Lummawbah. I have made a note of all the requirements that you have mentioned out here. Also, the application that has been given by the President, by our Conway, for financial assistance to be given to the society out here and the sports club to be able to do different activities, and more importantly to buy the different materials required to allow our children and our youth to be able to play the different sports that they wish. So I can assure you that I have noted all of it down. I may not be able to do all of them in one go, but I will be in discussion with Bah Hamlet and with your other leaders, especially your ambassadors, and work on how we can move forward in all the different requirements, which one to prioritize, which one to give first. So I would believe that the expansion and the facilitation of this particular process, this hall, I think should be the priority, because we already have invested in this, and I think making this even better than what it is today should be our priority. Let me assure you that I will take that particular project on first. I will discuss with Bah Hamlet whether it is funds required from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund or from the Sports Council, from the Sports Department. I believe that we should immediately do whatever it takes to make this place into a very, very active zone where our youth can come and play different kind of sports. Friends, sports infrastructure, I want to share with you. In the last 7 years of this government, our Sports Council Chief Engineer, I think, did not mention much about that. That's why I tell all of the people sitting here today, let us take this indoor stadium to a new level. I can assure Dr. Mir, he has requested for materials to be given. I will give materials. Whatever materials required, I will give. You have to give me the list. But we will stick to the amount you mentioned. Not more than that. I will give. And if you invite me to come and play, I will play over also with you. I wouldn't mind coming and playing, spending some time with our young boys and girls. Let us create that environment for our youth.
사실 나이들이 많아. 재미있다니 Banyak orang yang seperti ini. Tumpah boleh baca banyak. Jadi kita mesti kepada beliau yang kami mesti batu mau banyak ini boleh sudah lalu buat beliau sudah buat beliau Lees buat baik beliau yang kami mesti kami. Jadi kita beliau dewa dan penyebab yang ada di sini. Lembaga kepulauan Pulau Sulawesi sebagai kepala itu kesannya dalam jawab, perkembangan jawab dalam training lembaga ban yang ada di sini. Lembaga dewan ini kesan basdaq yang kejepur kejepur itu yang ada di sini. Jadi kesulitan kalau syukur sangat besar. Pada kali itu kali itu berkembang Lummawbah, Ministry of Social Affairs dan Akil Masalah Bangsa. Keburuan rezeki kepada masyarakat negara besar, berkenaan yang luar biasa. Nama bangsa, jil, berminta beliau yang Buat bagaimana interest kami nak berjaya ikut sisi berlaku. Kata mereka bulan kami itu bersama nama berdoa besar bersama harta. Bahkan kata berdoa orang yang ini kumpul di rumah di semua. Insyaallah lain jenis buat mereka mereka gimana kita berpikir mereka bagi percaya sebentar bulan kita nama di rumah ibarat dunia yang besar bagi jenis ini kumpulkan ini sudah kalau kita yang berumah kalau kita bersuara lelaki punya kita orang bakar bakar dulu dia itu sudah lain pekerjaan yang kita nak turun itu yang sendiri kita semua hendak kita sesuai dengan baik kita boleh bagaimana dia bisa dapat bagaimana kita ia bakar menurut pekerjaan yang baru di Ini kita nama orang Pakne ini macam Islam kita boleh nak kerana ini baik boleh kerana ini kepada kita sama berbuat ada Islam ini berlaku sama juga nak jadi posisi Rob sekarang beri sekarang sekarang warna ini What do you think? Allah berkata, nilai bersih. Jika dalam yang terjadi, nilai syam, berkembang dia lebih tinggi, bermakna semua dia lebih tinggi. Sesuatu yang bisa boleh ada sistem berkomunikasi juga. Jadi kalau macam dalam kita sistem bahasa ini. Kami nak support sebagai rumah aku betul. Apa boleh? Nama saja. Nama kita sebab kamu nama. Ini pressure. Nama kita dia handi. Fokusnya batu komunikasi. Nama dia supaya mereka pandai dikawal. Kepala Nasional, ini sekian kebijakan untuk kebijakan nasional. Kebetulan saya dalam melakukan nasional, abang ini menurut nasional, Cristo. Di mana Yesus, di mana Tuhan, di mana semua kerajaan kuasa di Kristo all ini kesekian section harusnya dia section bahwa di skim mota misi kerja di